In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Microsoft Teams group in just around 5 minutes. Emailing a group in Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to send out a message or announcement to all members quickly. Perhaps you're managing a community or a team for a project and need to keep everyone in the loop effortlessly. Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that and sign in using your account credentials. This step is crucial because you need access to your specific Teams account to send an email to a group. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find your community. Go to the community section of the website. Here you'll see a list of communities or teams that you're a part of. It's organized in such a way that finding your specific community should be a breeze. Click on your community to proceed. Within your community, you're going to look for a particular option titled Announcement. Clicking on Announcement is how you'll start the process of creating an email to send out to your group. This feature is specifically designed to send out important messages or updates, making it perfect for our purposes. Once you've clicked on Announcement, it's time to craft your email. This is where you provide all the details of your message. Be clear and concise, ensuring that your message is easy to read and understand. This is your opportunity to communicate effectively with your group, so make the most of it. Now, before you send out your announcement, there's one critical step you shouldn't overlook: checking the box to notify via email. This step is crucial because it ensures that your announcement isn't just posted within Microsoft Teams, but also sent out as an email to all members of your group. It's a handy feature that ensures everyone gets the message, even if they aren't active on Teams at the moment. Finally, with your message ready and the notification option selected, it's time to post your announcement. Click on the post button to send your email out to the group. And just like that, you've effectively communicated with your entire Microsoft Teams group via email. Remember, communication is key in any group or team setting. Microsoft Teams makes it remarkably easy to keep everyone informed and engaged, no matter where they are. So that's it. You've just learned how to email a Microsoft Teams group in about 5 minutes. This straightforward process is invaluable for anyone managing a team or community on this platform. Whether it's a project update, an important announcement, or just a general check-in, now you have the know-how to reach out effectively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to utilize this feature to enhance your group's communication strategy.